jalapeno wonton wraps. These are kind of like a jalapeno popper, but not in the jalapeno. We're not stuffing the jalapeno. We're dicing it and we're putting all of it into a wonton wrap. So first thing we want to do is we want to get our wonton wraps in the pan, and we're going to cook these for about 5 to 10 minutes or until brown. So you don't want to leave them in definitely for 10 minutes. You just want them brown, and then we're going to stuff them. While they're browning, we're going to mix up everything else. So let's get these in the oven. So you're going to need 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. That's a half of a regular stick. You're going to need 2 to 4 jalapenos diced, depending on how much you like jalapenos. I'm making 2 here, and if you like them a little extra spicy, then leave the seeds in. You're going to use 12 ounces of bacon. Keep just a little bit of bacon back for the end. So I'm going to put the bacon in there. Need a half a cup of sour cream. I like to always add a little bit of garlic just because I love garlic. So this is a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And we need 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I always used to make fun of this salad shooter as a kid, but I'll tell you what, my wife picked this up and it shreds cheese like nobody's business. We're going to shred our cup of cheddar cheese with the salad shooter. Well, I probably needed a bigger bowl here. Alright, that's about a cup, and we're going to hold back a little bit of cheese for later also. And as it turns out, I'm going to need a bigger bowl. So, we got everything in here. We're just going to go ahead and mix it all together. This looks like I just want to eat it by the spoonful right here already. Bacon, cream cheese, sour cream, cheese. Wow. You just kind of want to get everything mixed together here. All right, there we are. That's a good looking mixture. We're going to wait for our wonton wraps to be done. Then we're going to stuff them with these and bake them a few minutes longer. All right, let's get these out of the oven here. See, the tips are brown slightly. We're going to let these cool just for a few minutes because we got cream cheese that will melt as soon as we put in them. We don't want that yet. So we're going to let them cool just for a couple minutes before we fill them. All righty, these are cooled down. So what we're going to do is basically just spoon the stuff into the wonton cups. Whoa, don't want to overfill because I might have a gooey mess in the oven. I want some flavor in them, but these are pretty small. All right, in the beginning, if you remember, I said hold a little bacon back. So we're just gonna put a little piece of bacon or 2 on each one here, top it off, and we held a little cheese back. Guess what we're gonna do with the cheese? That's right, just a little bit of cheese on the top of each one of these, just to make it a little extra gooey. I hope I don't have a hot mess in the oven because this overflows. Consider moving all these to the middle here just to help with overflowage. Alrighty, let's get these back in the oven for about 8 or 10 minutes, and then we get to taste them. Most important part. Oh, those look tasty. It could be a little more brown on the top with the cheese, but I think those look pretty tasty. Now, I'm not going to taste one quite yet. I'm just going to get them on this pan to cool. Now, before I mess up this plate, take a look at these. They look absolutely gorgeous on this plate. I'm going to take this little guy right here, put on my plate, because there's one thing left to do. That's taste these bad boys. And I'm going to get a knife and cut this in half just to kind of see. I don't want to stick this whole thing in my mouth and have it be like napalm. Look at that stringy cheese. That looks delicious. Well, here we go. Here goes nothing. All right, I think it's cool enough. Don't want to burn my mouth. Wow, still pretty hot. These are a home run. I would recommend these for any party or just any appetizer for that matter. All right, so I think these are a hit. I got a plate of them to get through here. Well, half a plate because I'm splitting them, but we're going to do our best to get these taken care of. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos, and I appreciate you stopping. Thanks. Have a great day.